Here I have Motorola Moto G31, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So to do this, all you need to do is just turn off your device, and after it turns off completely, you have to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. Then you will enter this kind of menu. In this menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select, you have to select an option recovery mode. Then, when you see this plain Android robot and no command message under it, just hold down power key and press volume up once. And after that, you will end up in recovery mode. So here in the recovery mode, you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select. And you have such options as reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, enter fast boot, apply update from ADB, apply update from SD card, wipe data factory reset, mount system, view recovery logs, run graphics test, run local test, and power off. So if you want to quit this mode, you can select the last option, power off, and just turn off your device, or you can select the first, reboot system now, and restart it, as I'm going to do. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.